Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nikmatus Safira Apelianda. The last three digit number is 092 from Mathematics Education 2018. Here, I want to present about my research plan, and my title is Development of Interactive Mathematics Learning Media in Quadrangular Material Assisted by Adobe Flash Software in e-learning. In this presentation, I will discuss about introduction, formulation problems, purposes, theoretical review, and method. I will begin about introduction. Mathematics is one of subjects that must exist at every level of education. Besides that, mathematics is one of the subjects that has many benefits in real life. But many students thought that mathematics is a difficult subject. This thought causes misunderstanding and misconception of the mathematics material. Whereas knowing the concept is deep is the key of the mathematics. But it can also be caused by a lack of teacher in delivering the material or the absorption of the material. In 2020, the education in Indonesia has helped by online because there is a pandemic, COVID-19. E-learning has many barriers not only from the student but also from the teacher. The barriers from the teacher, for example, how teacher pack learning so that the student more easier to understand and less part in the learning. And also, how the teacher delivering the material. The teacher usually teach with speaking and demonstrate the PowerPoint to the student. But it doesn't really work because many students can't understand the concept well. Not only that, in e-learning, the motivation of students is decreased. They just following the class and then left the class without seriously. In learning process, motivation of the student is very needed, especially in online learning. They will be not serious to study, and the impact are misunderstanding and misconception again. Using learning media interactive will increase the desire, interest, motivation, and help the teacher to delivering material. Especially in the online learning, many students feel bored with the learning and sometimes the teacher just gives them homework without any deep explanation. One of the material in mathematics is about quadrangle. Quadrangle is one of the essential material in mathematics, but many students don't know about the relationship among the quadrangle, like what is the relationship between rectangle and square, and so on. Based on the situation, my research was aimed to design the interactive learning media for explain the relationship among the quadrangle. And my formulation problem are, is learning media interactive feasible to apply in e-learning? How do the students respond in using learning media interactive in e-learning? How do the motivation of students to learn when using learning media interactive in e-learning? The next discussion is about theoretical review. The first theory is about e-learning. E-learning is a learning that uses electronic media. Oplinger and Hawkins note that e-learning has transformed from a fully online course to using technology to deliver part of all of the course independent of permanent time and place. There are 5 characteristics of e-learning. The first is incorporate several kinds of information. The second is support collaborative communication. Users have total control over their own situation of learning. The third is support network for accessing information. And the fourth is allow for the system to be implemented freely on various kinds of computer operating systems. And the second theory is about learning media. Learning media is anything that can be used to deliver message, so it student. The function of learning media on education are, it can improve the attention to learn of students. The material will be clearer so it can be easier to understand by the students. The student can get part because the teacher not only explain with verbal communication. Students are more active because they don't just listen the explanation from the teacher. And the third, learning media interactive. Learning media interactive is from two words, learning media and interactive. We have known from a definition of learning media before, and from TBBI, interactive it means mutually action. So, we can conclude that learning media interactive is a tool to deliver material from the source to the student using combination of two or more media. It is usually developed with programs or software that complement each other to be interactive. And the fourth theory is about motivation. Motivation is reason for behaving in a given manner in a given situation. According to Middleton and Spanians, motivation is reasons individual for behaving in a given manner in a given situation. And according Hanula states that the goals and needs of learning process will be represented by emotion, attitude, and value of the students. So, in online learning, the motivation is very needed. And the next is about makeup research. In this research, I am using ADDIE model or ADDIE model, which has 5 procedures. The first is analysis, the second is design, the third is development, the fourth is implementation, and the last is evaluation. In analysis step, I want to see how the target conditions were in the field, how the student respond when participating in online learning, how the teacher used the media, how the student motivation was when participating in learning, and I want to determine the goals that I want to be achieved. And the second step is design. In this step, I want to know how to solve the problem that were found in the previous stage. What media is suitable for target use and in accordance with the desired goals. And then, how is the mechanism of my activity, and I will design of my content. And the third step is development. In this step, I will make storyboard, content writing, and graphics from my problems that I found in analysis step. Besides that, I will make validation of material and media by the expert. Not only that, I also make questionnaire for the student to know how the response of the student in using learning media interactive. If the validation is valid, I will continue to next step, but if the validation invalid, I will revision it. And the fourth step is implementation. In this step, I will implement my media to the students. And then I look at how the target respond when using the media. And then the last step is evaluation. In this evaluation, I look at any obstacle or problems that arise during the implementation. I must also ascertain whether the problems that arise can be resolved or not. So, in this case, the initial goal must be considered. To help my research, I need some subject. So my subject research is students at 7th grade that are studying about quadrilateral because my research is about quadrilateral material, especially media, learning media interactive. And I take two classes homogeneous of the population for the sample. And my instrument, there are three instruments. What are they? There are validation anket that given to media, validation anket that given to material expert, and student responses questionnaire that given in the implementation stage. And here, validation anket by material and learning expert. And here, validation anket by media expert. And my analysis data technique. The first is about uji kelayakan, instrument of visible the learning media interactive. So I will find the interval with this formula, the highest score minus the lowest score per total class. There are four scales for instrument, for visible instrument, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I will find the mean of the interval. The next is about analysis data technique for student questionnaire. The formula is mean equal total value per total students. There are 5 categories of student questionnaire response. Okay, thank you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.